guys, my name is Jacqueline and I'm an independent Norwex sales consultant, and what I wanted to talk to you today about is the kitchen cloths. So our kitchen cloths have the same properties as our Enviro cloths. You're still going to be able to remove 99% of bacteria, safe to use in your kitchen. The difference is the ribbing and the size. So if you'll notice the ribbing, maybe you can't tell as much on the black, but you can notice it definitely on this mint one here. You'll notice that they're ribbed differently than on our Enviro cloth. They're not as dense. So this makes a great degreaser, great for the car, great for everywhere else. Personally, I like using my kitchen cloths in the kitchen because of this ribbing, because if you're cleaning something like breadcrumbs, it can tend to get stuck in your Enviro cloth because it's so tiny and so incredibly dense. These just rinse really nice if you're cleaning like egg yolk or you had a spill. Also, just as absorbent, super absorbent, you're going to save a ton on paper towels. This guy will dry all of your dishes just with the one cloth. So if you're tired of going through several dishcloths to dry your dishes, this is going to be your lifesaver right here. Great to hang over the stove. You'll use him all the time. And then so this is the kitchen towel size, and then I will show you in comparison with the kitchen cloth size. So the kitchen towels I use mainly just for drying. Even I use it as a little drying mat sometimes. The kitchen cloth size, this guy is my go-to for everything else. I clean my counters with this, my appliances. It rinses really easily, absorbs spills really well. So I really like to use this on my counters. But I get a lot of questions on this because people think that only this one can remove the 99% of bacteria. This one is very capable of doing just that. So you can have peace of mind that whether you're using these in the kitchen or your Enviro cloth in the kitchen, that you're getting still that same clean. And also what's nice about the kitchen cloths is that they come in way more colors than the Enviro cloth. So like for me, I have like a whole white, gray, stainless steel scheme going on, so this is my favorite. I love this charcoal color that came out this past year. But we have mint, pomegranate, latte, graphite, which is a really nice gray. So whatever your kitchen is, you can definitely coordinate your kitchen cloth and your kitchen towel set with that. Each of them come in sets of 3, so I will have them linked down below if you wanted to check them out. And feel free to watch my other video on the Enviro cloth. That way you can see everything that you can clean with all of these. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.